So I am with Center Director Ellen Ochoa and astronaut Ellen Ochoa. And so Dr. Ochoa, could you tell me a little bit about what's going on at JSC right now and what we have to look forward to coming out of the center in Houston in the near future?
Well, a lot of what we're doing here at JSC you can find in the exhibit here at South by Southwest, the International Space Station program, the Orion spacecraft to take crews beyond low Earth orbit, and a lot of different and interesting technology development, advanced spacesuits, humanoid robotics, lots of things like that.
I talked to some of the spacesuit folks yesterday, and one of the interesting things that I had heard in years previous and from them was that the new spacesuits are going to be really multi-purpose for our multi-destinations that are going to be coming up in the near future. So I was wondering if you could talk a little bit about that, and if that's the case.
Yeah, we're looking at a couple of different things. We want to be able to get a new spacesuit to use in microgravity, but then also be able to eventually extend that to surface operations too. So part of it is looking at the whole life support system and making it more reliable, more maintainable. And then a next step for surface ops is to make the suit more mobile.
And so the Orion's going to take us out into deep space, but it's a big capsule. It's got a little bit of room in it, but for the months and months you're going to be out there, I've seen some NASA concept animation of like habitat modules and electro-powered ion engines. Could you talk about a little bit of the development of those things and how that's going for the later stages of the deep space exploration?
Sure, we will need a deep space hab when we go out for months and years. Orion is designed to keep 4 people alive for 21 days. So there are missions in the Earth-Moon vicinity that you can do with just Orion, but to get out farther we will need a deep space hab. And so we're looking at various options, and it may be something that NASA develops. We may look at international partners or other commercial partners, but part of it right now is just understanding what those requirements would be and when we might first start to try to test something out.
Excellent. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.